The link to URL template allows MAD app builders to display a website that is automatically reformatted to fit on either a phone or tablet screen. Creating such a screen is a short, easy process. Here's a guide to its functionality. Start by clicking Add Screen and then selecting the Link to Web URL icon to open it as you would any other template. Once it's open, name the screen and enter something for the title bar, preferably the same thing as the screen name. Next, click the white space, opening the editor, to enter the website address. Most websites are built in what we call responsive design. This means the web page will automatically reformat to fit smaller screens, like those found on phones and tablets. Try to use these types of websites so the end user doesn't have to scroll around on the screen to see everything.